Hello and welcome to song number 6 of the 15 Uke Songs challenge. Thank you to everyone who is posting videos, posting comments down below the videos, and also sharing everything on Ukulele. It's really fun to see. Today we are doing A Whole New World from the movie Aladdin. It has a really beautiful intro, but I'm going to review that with you a little later in the video. I'd like to get just into the verse. So please pick up the printable. It's absolutely free. You'll see that the strumming pattern is broken up on some of the chords. So we have the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. And for some chords, the ones in the boxes, you're going to do down, down, and on the up, down, be on another chord. And that'll be the I can show you the world. Any chord that's standing on its own just gets a full strum. So let me play through verse 1. Go ahead and join me. And then we'll do it again, just so that you can start feeling how that strumming pattern is broken up. 1, 2. Oh, by the way, if you don't want to do a full F, like a switch from C to F, if that takes too long, I really like the sound of holding the C chord and adding the index. So this would be 0, 0, 1, and 3. I really love how that sounds. Just for like the little parts in the verse. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now ending, last let your heart decide. And then the same little pattern that we did in the first 2 lines repeats in the next 2 lines. So let's try that. 1, 2. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on this magic carpet ride. Okay, now we go to the chorus. Each chord that's on its own just gets a full island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Chords that are in boxes get the strumming pattern split. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And it's really cool because it keeps things moving. It adds a lot of motion to it. So let's try and play through the first part of the chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A little tip for switching from F to C quickly. I play F with my index and middle, and then I'm playing C with the pinky. A whole new world, no one to tell us where to go. Okay, that helps me. Hopefully it'll help you. Next part, we have a similar strumming pattern. A whole new world. Some chords that get 2 down strums, and you can do down strums there, or you can do down, down, up, like this. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Let's try that. You got this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Alright, so now let's try to play through that second part of the chorus. So 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Like we could apply everything we learned on the verse and on the first chorus. We could apply all of that to the verse and the second chorus. Okay, so the only other different part in this song is the ending. And for that, of course, we've slowed down a lot. We've brought the dynamic level down a lot. And so we're going to be very gentle. We're hanging on from a C from the chorus above. So now let's do the intro. So the intro has C, C, F, C, C, F, and then it starts. So we have just one strum on that F, and that's the down right before the end of the strum. So it'll be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Alright, so like the picking one that I really like is we're going to put a finger on each string. Thumb, index, middle, ring, G, C, E, A. Go to your C chord and then just squeeze your fingers together. So nice, right? So we're going to do all, C, E, A. Again, all, C, E, A. Now give me an F or a partial F. A partial F would be 0, 0, 1, 3. And all. And go back to C. All C, E, A. All C, E, A. F. And then all C, E, A. All C, E, A. F. That's the intro. Let me play it for you once and then we'll do it together. Just listen this time. Put the ukulele down, please. Please, 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 please. And then you can start the song. I can show you the one. I'm really gentle in the beginning. So let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, breathe, ready, go. All C, E, A. All C, E, A. F. All C, E, A. Rest. All C, E, A. F. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. All C, E, A, rest. All C, E, A, F. All C, E, A, all C, E, A, F. I can show you now. So pretty, right? Okay, so try it that way. I think you'll like it. And that's all we need to learn this song. Please make sure you're using the Printable. The Printable has all of the notes on the strumming and that will help you a lot. And plus it's a joy for me to make the printables for you. I really like doing it. Thank you to everyone who's uploading videos and pictures and sharing on Ukelandia. It has been really fun to see your progress through this challenge. I love people sharing that they're already seeing growth, so that's really awesome to see as well. Special thanks to Enya, our sponsor for this challenge. I am using the EUC 25D by Enya. I'll link this down below and a few other of their ukes that I really love. Patrons, be on the lookout for the play along video for this. If you'd like to join Patreon, this is the link. And yeah, I'll see you guys for song number 7. Yeah!